In the wild, there is a bird that never builds a nest of its own. It lays its egg in yours and lets you raise the imposter. This year, that bird learned to cook. Tonight, we track a new species, not in a forest, but in your search results. Its habitat is Pinterest, Facebook, the second page of Google. Its name badge says food blogger. It is not one. By the end, you'll spot its egg in your own feed and know why the old trick, just look closer, is about to stop working. Meet the specimen, the AI fabricated recipe blog. Like the common cuckoo, it does not build. It borrows a nest the real birds made, the food blog, because that is where the food is. The cuckoo survives by mimicry. Its egg slowly evolves to match the host's, so the host won't throw it out. This creature mimics too. It grows a human name, a warm founder's photo, a childhood in Tuscany backstory. Watchers at NewsGuard find these sites wearing AI-generated faces and bios of authors who were never born. It even fakes its own age. One site a reporter found claimed it hatched in 2019. Its copyright said 2025, but the disguise is not perfect. And that is our opening. A host bird will reject an egg that is even slightly wrong. The mimic's eggs are slightly wrong, if you know the field marks. The blueberries are impossibly round, like little purple craters. The frosting melts into the cake with no seam. A Caesar salad missing its anchovies. Instructions that are less how to make a salad and more a handful of buzzwords that merely resemble one. And the quietest tell of all, no ratings, no comments, no bird ever actually sat on this nest. Now, you're sure you'd never fall for it. So was a health reporter at CNN. Hunting for Thanksgiving cookies, she found chocolate acorns with little nut-covered caps. Beautiful. She baked them. They failed. Only afterward did she read the field marks. A site claiming years of history, copyrighted months ago, not a single comment. A professional, fooled by an egg in her own feed. And here's the part that unsettled even me. She did everything right. The mimic has simply gotten good. Every animal does what it does in order to eat. So does this one. It is not here to feed you. It is here to be fed. The food niche is the richest habitat on the internet, and these sites exist to harvest programmatic ad money. Attention, sold by the pound. The cuckoo chick exploits its host's feeding instinct with a loud, exaggerated begging call. The AI site exploits the search engine's ranking instinct, the same two words over and over. Easy, simple. Recipes scraped from posts that already went viral. It is fed, quite literally, by the labor of the birds it imitates. And here is the anomaly. This species is not rare. In June of 2026, NewsGuard counted 3,749 AI content farm sites across 16 languages. 18 months earlier, there were about 1,100. A brood parasite, mid-population explosion, because the hosts haven't evolved their defenses fast enough. Platforms still fail to label AI content, even the content made with their own tools. And into this same habitat, a new predator has arrived. The AI answer engine, reaching over the whole nest to snatch the recipe before you ever see the page. The mimic and the predator, feeding on the same ecosystem. So what does it mean for us? The uncomfortable truth. The field marks are fading. The round blueberries get fixed. The fake bylines get better. Every season, the egg is a closer match. Spotting the imposter by eye is a losing arms race. The defense that actually scales isn't sharper eyes, it's provenance, knowing which egg a real bird actually laid. That's the whole idea behind Recipy. We use AI too, we're not pretending otherwise, but ours is grounded in real, tested recipes. And when a dish is AI generated, we label it as AI. No fake founder, no childhood that never happened. No dish nobody ever cooked. Because other apps just run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. So next time you land in a stranger's nest, don't only ask whether the egg looks real, ask whether a real bird ever sat here at all.
Subscribe, long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.